describe each data type as nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. The name of the starting pitcher for a Red Sox game. So here there's names, but there's really no order involved. And so this, the best we can say, is nominal, N. The letters of the alphabet. Letters of the alphabet certainly have names, but they also come with a natural ordering to them. A first, B second, C third, and so on and so on. And so there is order here. And so we're going to go with more than just nominal, ordinal for the letters of the alphabet. The time in the morning a BHCC student wakes up. Well, here's where they kind of get tricky. Their time certainly has name and order, and it also has a numerical measurement, but the difference between interval and ratio is two things. One, interval really doesn't have a starting point or a zero, and so therefore, number two, you can't, think of multiplication or division with interval. Whereas ratio kind of means divide. You can. So let's see how this applies here. The time in the morning. Now, if you wake up at 8 a.m., is that twice the time of waking up at 4 a.m.? No, not really. And is there such a thing as a time zero? Again, not really. But it is a numerical measurement, and so we're going to have more than just ordinal. We're going to have interval. Now, let's contrast that one with D, the number of wins in a season for a Red Sox pitcher. So the number of wins is having 8 wins, twice as much, say, as having 4 wins. And the answer there is yes. That's a little bit different than in C. Also, is there such a thing as having 0 wins for a Red Sox pitcher? Well, we hope not, but yes, it is possible. And so here really ratio does make sense for 2 reasons. There's a 0, and sort of multiplication and division makes sense. And so that's why this one is ratio.